Check your pockets, your change jars, and your old piggy banks right now. If you happen to find this 2001 New York State quarter, whatever you do, do not spend it. Do not treat it like an ordinary 25-cent coin. Because behind this specific piece of metal lies a dark, sensational history that the U.S. government tried its absolute best to sweep under the rug. A coin that faced an emergency ban almost immediately after production. A design flagged as highly controversial, triggering a massive, quiet recall from the national security channels. But here is the ultimate kicker. While the face value says just a quarter, the hidden value of an ultra-rare, banned version of this exact coin is rumored to be worth an astronomical $25 to $27 million in the underground elite collector circles. Yes, you heard that right. Up to $27 million. What was the shocking secret hidden within the 2001 New York quarter that forced secret mint authorities to step in? And how can a bizarre manufacturing error on this exact coin turn you into an overnight millionaire? Wrap your head around this, because in today's video, we are exposing the absolute truth. To truly understand why this coin became the target of intense government scrutiny, we have to travel back to the year 1999. The U.S. Mint launched one of the most successful numismatic campaigns in human history, the 50-state quarters program. The goal was simple: honor every single U.S. state by releasing 5 unique quarters every year, celebrating their unique history and culture. In the year 2001, the spotlight fell on the Empire State, New York. The final approved design was stunning. It featured the iconic Statue of Liberty towering proudly over an outline of the state of New York, accompanied by the inscription "Gateway to Freedom." The Philadelphia Mint, indicated by the famous P Mint mark, cranked out over 600 million of these coins. They were bagged, boxed, and shipped across the country for everyday commerce. On the surface, it looked like a massive success. But almost immediately upon release, panic struck. Word got out that the government was frantically halting certain shipments, and an emergency order was issued regarding the New York quarters design. Why? Let's get into the terrifying reality of the government ban. So, why did the government suddenly panic and place a strict lockdown over a 25-cent piece? The truth involves hidden prototypes, historical tragedy, and illegal manufacturing flaws. The year 2001 changed America forever due to the tragic September 11th terrorist attacks. What the general public doesn't know is that when the New York State quarter was initially being designed in late 1999 and 2000, several preliminary sketches and secret prototype dies were submitted. A few of those highly secretive prototypes actually featured the iconic World Trade Center Twin Towers. In the background, immediately following 9/11, out of respect and national security, an emergency directive went through the U.S. Mint. Any dies carrying the Twin Towers imagery were instantly banned and ordered to be melted down into oblivion under maximum security. They were never supposed to leave the Mint. During the chaos of production at the Philadelphia Mint in 2001, heavy-duty coin dies cracked under extreme pressure. This mechanical failure created a series of highly illegal, deformed coins where the Statue of Liberty's face blended horrifically into the state map outline. The U.S. Mint officially declared these specific error batches as defective and illegal for circulation. Direct orders were given to intercept every single one of them, but a handful of these banned error coins slipped through the cracks anyway. Once the public realized the government was destroying specific 2001 P variants, black market demand went through the roof. The Secret Service stepped in because they feared counterfeiters would exploit the chaos to flood the economy with fake rare coins. This forced the government to enforce strict trading bans on unverified, unreleased mint materials. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. What is this coin actually worth? Prepare to have your mind completely blown. While a normal circulated version in your pocket is worth just 25 cents, elite numismatic whistleblowers and underground auction leaks suggest that the ultra-rare, banned prototype featuring the restricted design has a projected worth of a staggering $25 million to $27 million. Even if you don't find that forbidden prototype, The certified heavy error versions that escape the mint, like the massive die cap errors or extreme off-center strikes, are pulling in hundreds of thousands of dollars at major international auctions. The demand is at an all-time high because billionaires aren't just buying a coin. They are buying a forbidden, multi-million dollar piece of history that the government desperately tried to destroy. So, how do you find out if you're holding a standard quarter or a golden ticket to a multi-million dollar fortune? Here is exactly what you need to look for. Second, flip it over to the reverse side and look at the Statue of Liberty. Inspect the rim very carefully. Is the design perfectly centered, or is it heavily shifted to one side? Do you see a bizarre raised lump of silver-colored metal covering part of the text? Or does the Statue of Liberty look like she has a double eye or double torch? If you spot any of these weird, unnatural anomalies, congratulations. You might just be holding a banned piece of history. Do not spend it at a grocery store. Keep it safe, put it in a protective sleeve, and get it evaluated by a certified coin professional. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you have a 2001 New York quarter sitting in your house right now? Go check and leave a comment below with what you find. If this video shocked you, make sure to smash that like button, share this with your friends so they don't accidentally spend a fortune, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you never miss another mind-blowing coin secret. Thank you for watching,